Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Mitchell, local and long distance movers near me. To qualify as a long distance relocation, your move must be greater than 50 miles. Our long distance service authorization allows us to travel to any destination you specify. We have obtained the necessary relocation permits from state and federal authorities. Additionally, our lengthy journeys are properly scheduled. Our movers will aid you in sorting and packing your belongings. They take great care with your stuff, and for your convenience, they also use robust and roomy moving vans. We have insurance to safeguard ourselves and our customers. When you utilize our services, you can rest assured that the drivers at 3 Movers will handle your long distance relocation with care. A local relocation is one that takes place within a 50-mile radius of your current workplace or dwelling. Surprisingly, we possess considerable confidence in these fields. We are also familiar with all the roads, Mitchell, Indiana, and we will also transport your belongings efficiently to their new location. On average, local transfers are less expensive than long distance migrations. However, when we manage your relocation, you'll receive the most affordable rates for long distance and local moves. Our services range in price from $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Mitchell Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.